Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 9, exercise 9.8, sixth sum. Find the area of the region bounded by y equal to tan x and y equal to cot x, and the lines x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2, y equal to 0. See, y equal to tan x, y equal to tan x, y equal to cot x. So you can equate because both the values are y. So you can equate the value tan x equal to cot x. When both the values are equal in between 0 to pi by 2, x equal to pi by 4, because tan pi by 4, 45-degree value is 1 and cot 45 value is also 1. So you can draw the graph. See here, you can draw the graph here. X-axis, you can draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, origin, then x equal to pi by 4, then pi by 2, x equal to pi by 2. See here, tan 0 value is 0, tan pi by 4 value is 1, and tan pi by 2 value is infinity. So the curve is like this. The curve is like this. It is nothing but what? Tan x, y equal to tan x, y equal to tan x. The curve is like this. Then the same way, x equal to tan pi by 2 value is 0. Tan pi by 2 value is 0. Then tan cot pi by 2 value is 0, and cot pi by 4 value is 1, and cot 0 is infinity. Cot 0 is infinity. So the curve is like this. The curve is like this. So y equal to cot x. So both the values are meet at pi by 4. Both the values are meet at pi by 4. Here tan pi by 2 is infinity, and here cot pi by 2 is infinity. Cot pi by 2 is infinity. Now we move on to find out the area of this region. Area of this region. So area of the bounded region. Area of the region. Area of the region bounded by the curves. Area of the region bounded by the curves. Area of the region bounded. Area of the region bounded by the curves. Area of the region bounded by the curves equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4. See here, integral 0 to pi by 4 above the x-axis. So you have to mention as y dx. Y dx plus integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 is also what? Above the x-axis. Pi by 4 to integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 is also above the x-axis. So you can write it as what? Y dx. Y dx. So integral 0 to pi by 4, the curve is cot x. See, integral 0 to pi by 4, the curve is cot x. The curve is cot the curve is tan x, because 0 to pi by 4 the curve is tan x. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 the curve is cot x. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 the curve is cot x. So you can write 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, tan x into dx, tan x into dx plus integral pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 4 to pi by 2, cot x into dx, cot x into dx. So tan x, what is the integration of tan x? Log of secant x. Log of secant x, the limit is 0 to pi by 4. The limit is 0 to pi by 4. What is the integration of cot x? Log of sin x. Log of sin x. Log of sin x, the limit is pi by 4 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 is the limit. So now you can substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. Log of secant of pi by 4 minus log of secant of 0. upper limit minus lower limit plus you can substitute the same way for log of sin x also. Log of sin pi by 2, log of sin pi by 2 minus log of sin 0, log of sin 0, log of sin pi by 4, sorry, log of sin pi by 4 upper limit, log of sin pi by 4, log of sin pi by 4, sin pi by 4, pi by 4. So upper limit minus lower limit. So log of secant pi by secant pi by 4 is nothing but what? Log of root 2 minus secant 0 is nothing but what? Log of 1 because cos inverse plus. The same way here, sin pi by 2 is 190 degree. Sin 90 degree value is 1. The sin pi by 4, sin pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 value is, sin pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. So log 1 value equal to 0. So it gives log of root 2, log of root 2 minus log of 1 by root 2, log of root 2 minus log of 1 by root 2, log of 1 by root 2. So see here, log of root 2, log m plus log n, log m plus so log m by log m minus log n equal to what? See here, you can apply the logarithmic formula log m minus log n. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n, log m by n. So it gives log of modulus of root 2 by 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1 by root 2. So log of root 2 reciprocal that value root 2 into root 2. So it gives log of 2 square units, log of 2 square units, log of 2 square units. See, tan x equal to log of modulus of secant x, log of modulus of sin x. The same way you can proceed. Log of modulus of secant pi by 4, secant modulus of sin pi by 2 and modulus of sin pi by 4. So modulus of root 2, modulus of 1. Here also modulus of 1 and modulus of 1 by root 2. Log of mod 2, log of modulus of 1 by root 2. So it gives modulus of, so root 2 into root 2, log of mod 2, root 2 into root 2, log of mod 2. See the next sum. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve, that is the parabola y square equal to x. Y square equal to x is nothing but a open rightward curve and the line y equal to x minus 2. First, you should find out the intersecting point of the curve and the line. So, you can take it as y square equal to x and y equal to x minus 2. So, substitute y value. You can take it as this is 1 and this is 2. Substitute y equal to x minus 2 in this equation. So x minus 2 the whole square equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to x. So x square minus 4x plus 4 minus x equal to 0, x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0, sum equal to minus 5 and product equal to 4. So 4 equal to 4 ones are, see, minus 4 minus 1 it gives minus 5, minus 4 minus 1 it gives minus 5. So x minus 4 into x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 4 comma 1. So the intersecting point is x equal to 4 and x equal to 1. So what about the y value? If x equal to 4, y equal to 4 minus 2. y equal to 2, x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1 minus 2, y equal to minus 1. The intersecting point is 4 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 1. So we can draw the graph. See here, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, y square equal to x passing through the origin. It is a open rightward curve. It is a open rightward curve. So you can write this is origin and this is 1 and this is minus 1, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So the points are 3, 4, etc. So the points, intersecting points are 4 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2 and 1 comma 4 comma 2. The point is 4 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1. So the value is here 1 comma minus 1. So the line passing through the line is like this, passing through the line, passing through the line like this. So you can find out the shaded region, area of this shaded region. You can find out this area of the shaded region. See, whenever the curve and line gives, you can write it as curve, line minus curve, line minus curve. So area of the bounded region, area of the bounded region, area of the bounded region equal to, area of the bounded region equal to, area equal to, area equal to integral. What is the limit they have given? What is the limit we have to find out there? Minus 1 to 2. The limit is minus 1 to, the limit, x limit you can take it as, or y limit you can take it as, if you can take it as a y limit, you can take it as minus 1 to 2, or if you can take it as a x limit, you can take it as 1 to 4. See, if you want to take it as the x limit means 1 to 4, y limit means minus 1 to 2, because y value is given, so it is easy to do the sum. Okay, see here. So yeah, 1 2, I can take it as minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2. What is the x value here? X equal to y plus 1. Line minus curve, line minus curve, line minus curve into dy. So I have chosen as a y-axis limit, minus 1 to 2. What is the line equation? So what is the x value here? Y equal to x minus 2. Y equal to x minus 2. dy means you can write it as what? x1 minus x2 into dy. See, x1 means the line and x2 is the curve. x2 is nothing but a curve. So y equal to x minus 2, x equal to y plus 2. There they are given as x equal to y square. So you can take it as integral, my integral area equal to integral minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2, integral minus 1 to 2. The line is y plus 2 minus y square into dy, y square into dy. Now you have to integrate. Y is nothing but what? Y square by 2 plus 2y minus y cube by 3. So the limit is minus 1 to 2. The limit is minus 1 to 2. So you can substitute as upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? Upper limit is 2 square by 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 cube by 3. The upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 1 minus 1 the whole square by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 the whole cube by 3, the lower limit. So it gives It gives, see here, it gives y square by 2, y square by 2, y square by 2 is 4 by 2, 4, that is 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3, 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3 minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 1 by 2 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1, the whole cube is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 by 3, plus 1 by 3, plus 1 by 3. See here, 6 minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. See, 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is minus 9 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So what is the value? See here, 8 minus 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So the value is 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 1 by 2, you can take it as 2 as the LCM. So 10 minus 1 by 2. So the LCM is, so the value is 9 by 2 square units. The value is 9 by 2 square units. See the eighth sum. Father of a family wishes to divide his square field bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to 4, y equal to 4 and y equal to 0 along the curve y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. Both the curves, one is open upward and another one is open downward into three parts. For his wife, daughter and son, it is possible, is it possible to divide? If so, find the area to be divided among them. So their father is decided to divide the area among wife, daughter, and son. Wife, daughter, and son. It is also a square field, but the curves are given like this: open upward and open downward. See, x square equal to x square equal to 4y and y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4y and y square equal to 4x. First we should find out the intersecting point. From this you can take it as this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 2, x equal to y square by 4, x equal to y square by 4. Substitute in first equation, substitute in first equation. Y square by 4 the whole square equal to 4y. So y square, y power 4 by 16 equal to 4y. Y power 4 by 16 equal to 4y. Y power 4, y power 4 equal to 64y. So y power 4 minus 64y equal to 0. Minus 64y equal to 0. So you can take the values. You can take the values y as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Y cube minus 64 equal to 0. Y equal to 0, y cube equal to 64, y equal to 4. So the intersection is y equal to 0. What about x value? Because x equal to, what about the x value? Y equal to 0, x equal to y square by 4, x equal to 0. Y equal to 4, x equal to 4, y equal to 4, x equal to 4. The point of intersection, the point of intersection, the point of intersection is, the point of intersection is 0 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. The point of intersection is 0 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. See the diagram. See here, one curve is open upward, one curve is open upward and one curve is open rightward. X square equal to 4y. Then this is y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x. See, the area is y equal to 4. Y equal to 4 and x equal to 4. Y equal to 4 and x equal to 4 origin. So the intersecting point is 4 comma 4. Intersecting point is 4 comma 4. This is area 1, area 2, and this one is area 3. Area 1, area 2, and area 3. Area of the total square field, because 4 comma 4. So area of the square field, area of the square field, area of the square field equal to, you know the formula, a square, that is side into side, that is 4 into 4, 16 square units. 16 square units. Then we should find out the area A1, A2, and A3. Or you should find out A1, A1 and A3. Then you divide, you can subtract from 16, you can get the value of what? A2. First A1. A1 equal to area. A1 equal to area equal to area equal to A1 equal to integral 0 to 4. Integral 0 to 4 area, this area, integral 0 to 4 x into dy, because this is along the x-axis. X-axis, the curve is open upward. So x into dy, x into dy. X into dy means what is the value? Integral 0 to 4 y square by 4 into dy. Y square by 4 into dy, because x square, x into dy, y square by 4 into dy. So what is the value? Y cube, y square by 4 into y square by 4, integral 0 to 4 into dy. Into dy, you can take it as 1 by 4 commonly out. So 0 to 4 y square into dy. So 1 by 4 into y cube by 3. Y cube by 3. Limit is 0 to 4. 1 by 12 into y cube, the limit is 0 to 4. So 1 by 12 into 1 by 12 into y cube, that is 4 cube. 4 cube minus 0. So 64 by 2. 64 by 64 by 3. Sorry, y cube by 3. Y cube 1 by 4 into 1 by 12 into 64 by 4 cube. 64 by 12. 64 by 12. 64 by 12, when we cancel the value, what is the value we are getting? 16 times 3 times. So the part is 16 by 3 square units. The part is 16 by 3 square units. The first area A1 equal to x into dy, x into dy, because it end up with, see here, area equal to x into, the area is like this, x into dy, x into dy. So x value is y square by 4. Then the third area is, this one is the third area. Third area, you can take it as what? Area A3. A3 equal to area A3, area equal to A3 equal to integral 0 to 4 is the limit. Integral 0 to 4 y into dx. Integral 0 to 4 y into dx. Y into dx means, can take it as, what is the value? Integral 0 to 4 y equal to x square by y equal to x square by 4. X square by 4 into dx. X square by 4. Y equal to x square by 4 into dx. X square by 4. So 1 by 4, you can take it out. Integral 0 to 4 x square into dx. So it gives 1 by 4 into x cube by 3. X cube by 3, the limit is 0 to 4. So 1 by 12 into x cube upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. The same way 64 by 12, you cancel the value there, you are getting 16 by 3 square units. So A1 area is 16 by 3, A1 area is 16 by 3 and A3 area is 16 by 3. Now you should find out A2 area, because that bounded area, A2 area. A2 area means total area is 16 minus this 2 area. You are getting that value. See, total area of A2 equal to area of A2 equal to total area minus A1 plus A3, total area minus A1 plus A1 plus A3. Total area is what? 16 minus 16 by 3 plus 16 by 3. 16 by 3 plus 16 by 3, the area equal to. So what is the value we are getting? 16 minus 32 by 3. So 48 minus 32, 48 minus 32 by 3. So the value is what? 16 by 3. The value is what? 16 by 3 square units. The value is what? 16 by 3 square units. Square units. The total area is divided into 3 equal parts. So the total area is divided into 3 equal parts. Divided into 3 equal parts. Divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts, that is nothing but what? That is nothing but each area is 3 equal parts, that nothing but each area is 16 by 3 square units. Each area is 16 by 3 square units. The total area is divided into 3 equal parts, so each area is 16 by 3 square units. I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.